Ganzakwethu, let me help you make money in the month of June without you spending a cent. I'll repeat. Athi ngikusize wenza imali kule nyanga kaJune ungakhiphanga ngisho isenti. Vula ngani yakwethu business account, ube ne business lakho, or an organization or a non-profit or whatever it is. Then you go to the municipality wangakini and you say, municipality, I would love to partner with you on the event I am hosting in the month of June. Masipala will say, okay, partner with us. What do you want? Then you say, Masipala, all I need from you is the venue, which is the hall, and the sound. They're not going to say no because you didn't ask for money. They'll say, okay, we'll give you that. Then we are puma, we are go to go sotondo's a funeral, go bani, whatever funeral palayang again. And you say, guys, ngicela ningipa ukudla for venue engizobe nginayo ngosuku oluthilo till nina nginizofika nizoxhuma amabhena enu on the day of the event. They will say, okay, Zulu ufuna ukudla nje kuphela. Say yes, bakunika ukudla. So you've got food, you've got venue, you've got sound. Then you go to your banks. Say, bank, I'm hosting an event in the month of June. We have my banky, we have my funeral parlor, we have my banky, we have my insurance companies, we have my car dealership, wherever you're gonna go. You say to them, listen, I'm hosting an event in the month of June, and I need you guys to come to my event. It's a partnership. They'll say, okay, not a problem. Excuse me. We'd love to come to your event. What you need from us? Then you say, listen, I will need you guys to bring a banner, a gazebo, flyers, to market yourself to the people who are going to be at my event. They say, how much? It starts from 2.5 to 5,000. Bazofika nganyagwethu, I'm telling you. Njengokepitech nje ufuna ukumarketa lento yabo bayasha this new strategy yabo, it's called business something. They will come. So on your event, you've got food, you've got venue, you've got sound, you've got sponsors that will come through and give you pay to be at your event. Ukipe mali inwen, not even a cent. The only money you took out was money for transport or money to register your business. That's all. I am tired of hearing young people coming to me and saying, "First, hey, come on, ganzakwethu." What I am telling you, it's something that I've done. I know what I'm talking about. And awukho umkhuleko ganzakwethu engukhuleka njengomkhuleko ukuthi ngiyafisa ukuthi sihlangane nomuntu ozokangimisa endleleni athi zwide mfethu. Yabo le nkampani yami mfethu ngiqale ngoba ngakulalela ngayenza into ngithe yenze. I am tired of people mfethu just giving me likes. I don't want likes, man. No. Even if I can post a video with no likes, but as long as people will do what I'm saying, because leo ndizobaphilisa abantu. And then when you're done making that money, that means now you got two events. You got June, you're hosting an event. You got August, you're hosting Women's Month. And then the very important thing, ganzakwethu, is after making that money, you pick a 2 family or 1 family at your neighborhood. Then you buy that family grocery. Kachesta, bathenga linyama, nekuwi lapha kochekasi, ikhunya lamathini ekhu, nempuphu, bahambisele that family. Your event is going to be a success. June, you've got an event. August, you got a Women's Month. So every year when you've got that partnership with these banks, with this municipality, come on, guys. Come on, man.